Good morning, Papa. I'm really glad and very happy to see you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Happy to meet you.
It is really, really an honor to be here. This is
We'll remain standing.
my wife.
How do you do? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. You stand here.
I start. Papa, this is national wood. This is our national sea.
Beautiful.
This is Ego in Saint-Tomé, and this is the Perroquet in Príncipe of Saint-Tomé. Our name is Unity, Work and Discipline are our symbols. So it's a great pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
So here we present this emblem representing philosophy. Here present to you a message Francis wrote at the beginning of this year for the year 2025. I think a very appropriate message as we were speaking about earlier. And then a book with pictures of the artwork contained here in the Apostolic Palace. That's just some
She will
beautiful
enjoy
pieces.
this. She will enjoy it. We have so you will make us very, very happy. I tell you. For the first time, we are a country that Christianism have more than 500.
Very good.
Once again,
God bless you.
thank you very much. Thank you very much.